I really like tinkering with stuff, and that's probably what got me into this internship and program.
It's the only one of its kind in the United States right now, what we're doing here. It doesn't exist anywhere else, as I understand it, in any other school that's specific to IoT.
IoT stands for Internet of Things, and it basically refers to any device that can connect to the network and provide data to, like the Google Home connecting to the cloud and then providing you data on whose birthday it is today.
As of 2020, we have 28.1 billion devices installed. I mean, you want to talk about growth, you want to talk about career opportunities in this industry, they're just tremendous.
This program here is given the students the ability to see the bigger picture and to be able to understand that you can work with small pieces that's going to have a large effect, and that IoT is accessible in every single industry that's out there. I've had at least 15 calls from the major theme parks, from local system integrators that says, hey, how can we get some of these students? How can we partner with you as you develop these students to help fill the needs there? So we're not looking to do this just for Red Ash Technologies, we're looking to do this as an industry as a whole. This is just a starting point. Lake-Sumter is a starting point.
So it starts right here. Here's where we foster it. I allow them to try and fail. I got more computers in case they blow up one. I got 2 or 3 sensor kits in case they fry some of those sensor kits, but guess what? Now they know what not to do.
We're looking to invest in people so that to make them a better person. And for their time at Red Ash, we want to make sure not only are they working on cutting edge stuff, but we give them that all-around balance. So a high-paying job is great, that's always at the top of the list, but I think there's a lot of jobs you go into and you don't enjoy it.
The textbook offers just enough knowledge, but having an internship at Lake-Sumter is very important because it just offers the rest of it, kind of like an iceberg. The tip of the iceberg is the textbook, and then the whole mile of iceberg below it is the real-world problems, the ones that customers need solved every day. This is definitely for the people who are serious about what they're after.